Okay, I have an American series lock 747 from Jerry. The lock does work. It is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. It's a 6-pin. Okay, it is not a key retaining lock. Okay, it is locked. Let's put it in the vise and open it up. We're not going to gut this lock. I don't really know whether there's a way to gut it or not. Never been into one of them. So we're just going to open it this morning. See if we can get it around where you can see the keyway a little bit. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway, and let's try this pick. I start at the front of the lock. Okay, 1 and 2 is springy. A little bit on 3. 4. Maybe a little bit on 5 and 6. Let's go back to the front. A little bit on 1. Okay, there's some on 6 then. Let's go back to the top. Now let's don't do that. Let's just work our way back to the top. Check our pins as we go. Okay, here's pin 2. Okay, and it's open on pin 1. Okay, that's the American Padlock Series 747 open. Okay, I appreciate your time. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you for this lock, Jerry. I'll get it back in the mail to you.